Come on. You gonna run over to Daddy? Come on. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Come on.
Good job.
Yay!
Good job.
Good girl. You know, when she gets stuck, she'll start manipulating her hips and then it'll get her over.
She's still not moving her arm though, is she?
Nuh-uh.
I done got strong. I done got strong.
Gotta get that arm out from under there, girl. Now you gotta learn how to scoop. Should be kind of easy for you to put that skin on the floor.
That's what I thought. No, I had to hit her head.
Okay, finish this back over.
Roll over. Good job.
Right down. You can't feel them good.
She's got a little thing under it. Roll over.
Roll over, poo-poo. She got smart. You can't have that big toe. That big toe big in your foot, in your hand.
We need to change your diaper. We need to change that diaper.
Roll over.
Roll over. He's like, I found some stuff to play with.
She found some hair to grab. The other day when I was holding her, she didn't want to go nowhere, so she grabbed a handful of my underarm hair. She held on and she couldn't even move without her pulling something out. She had a death grip. Roll over, poo-poo. Roll over. Roll over.
She loves hair.
Roll over.
You gonna be a hairstylist, Cecily?
Roll over. Roll over to that. Roll over. Come on, roll over, poo-poo. Roll over. Roll over. You wanna roll over to Daddy, right? Come on. Come on. Come on, roll over to Daddy. Come on. Come on. You can do it.
She's like, you can stop talking to me.
This damn thing's supposed to do.
I think it's a little bath toy.
I was like, it's gonna make noise.
Mm-mm.
Come on. You can do it.
She just picked that up a little while ago. She was holding it.
Come on.
With one hand. She's like she's trying to grab Hulk. She's like, give it to me. Don't take it away from her. Let her hold it.
You want it?
She's like,
Come on. Come on. There you go. Oh, you dropped it. You ready? Get it. Come on. Come on.